Welcome to episode number 6, and this is our Locking Fundamentals series, and today we'll be working on the Scooby Doo. In case you didn't know, I'm Ceech, I teach and I make dance tutorial videos. If my videos are helpful and you would like to support the channel, just send me $1 million or click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Ooh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification when I post. Now, my tutorials are dance along videos, which means you can practice along with me while you watch. Each video has multiple drills, and each drill is about a minute. It's not too long, but enough to build muscle control and strengthen your rhythm. My challenge to you is to try to keep up with me throughout the entire drills. Now, if you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow, because this takes time and patience. Now, for my explanations and the tips on each drill, make sure to watch the video all the way through towards the end of the video so you don't miss out on the specific technique that I have so that you can avoid some of the common pitfalls or mistakes. All right, now if you're ready, put your dancing shoes on. I'll see you in the drill. Enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to make it funky. All right, welcome to our review right here. We're talking about Scooby Doo. Scooby Doo. First one, drill number 1. Let's focus on just the legs, all right? And what the leg is doing is basically a kickball change. I have a drill, I have a video just for kickball change. However, let's go over it real quick, okay? So for this drill right now, we're gonna just do right leg kick. 1 and 2. It's basically kick and then step, step. One to the side right here. I'm kicking my right leg. Kick, step, step. Okay, that's the kickball change. Now, there's a slight twist to it. It's more of like a scoop, if you will. Think of it as scoop up, okay? So it's like a knee come up, it goes 1 and 2 right there, okay? Sometimes you'll see me and other people mix in the kickball change where we go here, okay? So it's very, very close. I just want to make sure that you guys understand the distinction. There's scoop this way, where you see how like it just comes up from here, and then there's there's that snap, okay? Either way is fine for now, okay? But the idea is bring the knee up. We have 1 and 2. The end, try to get the knee up, okay? You'll see that later on in the drills, I got a little bit winded, so my knee's not as high, okay? But if you can, the idea is get that knee high, 1 and 2. So in our drill, we started slow, 1 and 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8, all right? So slow, it said 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, da, 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 da. And then we go fast. This is where I got a little bit winded. So if you guys are able to do it all the way through, good for you, because I got super tired. Now keep in mind, I had to do this 3 times in a row. Front view, back view, and side view. So I was pretty dead. But if you guys are able to continue doing that, that's great, okay? That's the leg part. Again, sideways, this way. And this is what I'm looking for. This is, if you could get that knee high consistently, good for you, all right? So also make sure you're on the beat. You're going kick, step, step. Make sure you're stepping on the beat. Just that little, I'm tired. All right, hopefully you guys got that down. Once you get it down, next one, then we're gonna focus on adding the arms, all right? See you in drill 2. Here we go, Scooby Doo, Scooby Doo. We are putting in the arms now, all right? So I'm gonna show you guys two different ways to do it. First way is when I originally learned from Skeeter Rabbit. It's basically like this. The arm is going like this, okay? Since then, I've seen other dancers, they kind of add a little bit more movement to it, which is what I'm gonna show you. First one, imagine you're a boxer, right? It's like an uppercut, all right? So you're gonna go this way. I know it's kind of different, but just bear with me. Palms facing you, palms facing you. So you're not going like this, palms inside. And you're not open arms, just loose fist right here, okay? So what I'm doing is counterbalance, so right leg up, then to left arm. We got 1 and 2. So left arm goes up, right arm goes down. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the original one. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? The second way, which is the way I did it now, it's more 1 and the elbow comes out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It's more this way. You see how like the arm kind of flicks? So it has more of the shoulder movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. It adds more of the shoulder. Okay? So it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The key though is really remember to, right when the left leg goes down, right arm comes up. That's gotta match. Same with this. So right here when I do this, boom, there's that kick, okay? Or the previous way, which is it comes up, the knee and the arm swings together. So there's this swing, there's this swing. Very, very close. When you do it really fast, it's a little bit harder to tell, but you can kind of tell if there's this movement, okay? There's 1 and 2, 3 and 4 versus 2. You guys see the difference, right? Okay, so again, back to the drill. We do 2 8 counts slow, and then the next 2 8 counts fast, okay? Hopefully you guys are able to do it, and obviously take breaks. For me, I had to take breaks. It was there's a lot of cardio involved in there, so. All right, guys, get that down, and I'll see you drill number 3. Welcome back, guys. So now we're reviewing the last part of the Scooby Doo, which incorporates our muscle man. All right, so let's break this down real slow. We have 1 and 2 and breaking that down on the first part. This move is actually called the muscle man. Why? I learned it from I learned it from Greg. There's a workshop. Greg talked about the muscle man. Right here. This is where you're flexing right here and get yourself nice and strong right here. Get the chest out. 1 and. On the and part, you hold the chest. So it's not 1 and. It's 1 and. Keep it out. Boom. On the 2, this is when you crunch down. Your chest collapse, if you will. Okay. And what I'm doing is I'm pivoting on the heel of my knees or the heels of my feet. Toe goes out. So we have 1 and 2 and. Okay, on the and I come back. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and then we add that Scooby Doo. Okay? So we prep it. Before the Scooby Doo, we prep it with our muscle man. Here's our preparation, and then Scooby Doo. Okay? 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right. So again, these drills are to make sure that you understand it, get the moves down so that muscle memory is in there. Then you can start worrying about adding your character, because locking has a lot of character. If you just lock, do the moves without adding the character, a lot of the original dancers don't like that, because blocking is a character dance. You gotta have character, okay? So doing these drills is just basically the first steps to locking. If you're doing it just without emotion, without adding your own flavor to it, then you're just doing drills, if you will, okay? So again, not to say drills are important. Yes, drills are important, but we gotta build it into our muscle memory so that then we can add the character. Because how can you add character to something that your body don't know, right? So let's not forget to add characters once we get the drill down. So one more time with me. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One thing I forgot to cover. So once you held the 4 here, come on. So what I'm doing is I'm bringing my left leg back on the 5, okay, on the muscle man on the 5. So we have 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, okay? Hope you guys have fun, learn a lot, drill a lot, make sure it gets into your muscle memory, so then you can put your character into your dance, all right? Lock it out, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.